Wouldn't it be nice to have crisp, clean, filtered water wherever you go? Whether for everyday use or outdoor adventures, modern filtered water bottles provide instant access to pure water at your fingertips. Our experts have researched and reviewed the 9 top-rated filtered water bottles. We'll explain the differences between each model to find the best option for you. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for additional information, up-to-date pricing, and any special discounts. Let's dive in. Starting at number 9, the LARQ PureVis UV self-cleaning stainless steel Purifier water bottle gives you the opportunity to take fresh water with you no matter where you go. It consists of 2 modes. One is a normal mode that runs for 1 minute and can remove 99% of bacteria. On the other hand, its adventure mode runs for 3 minutes for an extra dose of purification. Having BPA and plastic-free features, you can easily enjoy fresh water without replacing filters, like many of the filtered water bottle alternatives. The LARQ PureVis bottle is made of stainless steel with an award-winning design and also containing a UV water purifier. The insulated walls keep water cold for up to 24 hours and hot for 12. The LARQ stainless steel water bottle comes in several unique color options and has a capacity of 550 milliliters. It also has the amazing ability to quickly neutralize bacteria for your peace of mind. Using its UV LED technology, you can sanitize and clean the inner surface of the bottle. The LARQ bottle PureVis cleans clear water in 60 seconds and at the press of a button. It intelligently activates after every 2 hours to keep water fresh and lasts up to 1 month on a full battery charge. Here are the pros. Durable stainless steel construction. Keeps water cool for 24 hours. Intelligent self-cleaning. There's only one con: purification is not as high as on some other models. Next at number 8 is the Survimate. Having a 4-stage integrated filter straw, the Survimate filtered water bottle is an outdoor adventure's best friend. The filter process includes a medical-grade hollow fiber membrane and coconut shell activated carbon with an accuracy of 0.01 micron. Its replaceable filters can help save you money and reduce waste at the same time. For constant use, you don't need to worry about the replacement of filters for up to 1,500 liters or once a year. These Survimate filtered water bottles are made of food-grade Triton copolyester. Thus, it's completely durable, heat-resistant, and being BPA-free contains no bad smell. You don't need pumps, hoses, squeezing, or batteries like many of the filtered water alternatives. Simply fill the bottle from any source and you can enjoy fresh, clean water anywhere. Here are the pros: sleek design and lightweight, high-quality Triton material construction, high filter purification accuracy. There's just one con: it's slightly harder to suck up the water through the straw. At number 7, the Sawyer Products Personal Water Bottle Filter is great for everyday hydration, taking on trips, hiking, or camping. Using the filtered bottle, you can fill up at any source, such as a lake, stream, or faucet. It can remove 99.99% of all bacteria and 100% of all microplastics. The bottle comes with a 63mm cap and filter that is designed to fit many other wide-mouth water bottles. This water bottle filter is designed with a high flow rate, so you can easily drink water from the bottle. It also comes with 2 replacement straws just in case. One can reuse and clean the Sawyer personal water bottle filter almost infinitely with no expensive cartridges to replace. It also includes a backwash syringe to make maintaining in the field a breeze. This personal water bottle is made up of BPA-free materials with a capacity of 34 ounces. The 0.1 micron absolute hollow filter membrane delivers fresh and clean drinking water on the fly. And it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Here are the pros. The cap and filter can fit other 63mm bottles. The filter can be reused as much as you want. Kills up to 99.99% of all bacteria. The only con, the soft plastic exterior bottle construction. At number 6 is the Sport Berkey. Most people are familiar with the Berkey water filters. Now you can have all the benefits of a Berkey in a compact bottle. The Sport Berkey water purifier bottle is known for its quality water filtration that removes harmful contaminants from water on the go. Especially if you're looking for a portable water filtration system, the Sport Berkey water filter bottle can meet your requirements with the extra mile of performance. With a clean design, this bottle is made of durable BPA-free medical-grade polymer. It can hold 22 ounces of water with no water leakage issues. The top of this filter bottle contains a straw that is connected to the carbon-activated filter inside. Moreover, this water purifier bottle also has a long life. Even the filter works well for about 640 refills with municipal water. Meanwhile, you can also go for 160 refills with raw water. Multiple third-party independent labs have tested this portable water purifier bottle. The Sport Berkey water filter bottle is capable of removing harmful chemicals and chlorine present in tap water, lakes, or ponds. Here are the pros: lightweight and durable, made of non-leaching LDPE material. Efficient filtration process for untreated water. There's only one con: the cap can be leaky. Next at number 5 is the popular Grayl. The Grayl Ultralight Compact Water Purifier Bottle is one of the leading purifier bottles in our list of recommendations. The Purifier cartridge within the Grayl water purification bottle uses a technology called electroabsorption, in which relatively large pores are overlaid with a positively charged mesh that latches onto germs like little magnets. However, these bottles are crafted with polypropylene material, creating a one-of-a-kind color and structure. The Grayl water bottle components include an ultralight cap, inner press, purifier cartridge, outer refill, and quick start guide. This bottle can hold 16 ounces of water and takes 15 to 30 seconds to purify. Remarkably, you can fill the Grayl water purifier bottle from any freshwater source, lakes, rivers, or ponds. Simply fill the bottle with the water and press the bottom of the bottle against the ground to push the water through the filter. The replaceable purification cartridge is capable of filtering up to 40 gallons of clean water in its lifetime. Here are the pros: removes toxic pathogens and contaminants. Multi-purpose design for different users. Durable, lightweight, and super handy to use. There's only one con: the compact design carries just 16 ounces of water. At number 4 is the CrazyCap UV Purifier Bottle. Want to cherish the flavor of filtered water? Enjoy safe drinking or sipping through CrazyCap 2.0 UV Water Purifier Bottle. The 17-ounce UV stainless steel filtering water bottle is certified by NSF due to exceptional water filtration technology. The bottle automatically activates UV rays after every 4 hours to keep the water fresh, and self-cleaning the bottle eliminates odor, chemicals, and mildew. Walls of the water purifier are crafted with BPA-free stainless steel material, while durable double-walled insulation keeps the water cold for 24 hours and hot beverages warm for 12. Patented portless charging technology adds to its ergonomic design, making it super easy to charge without worrying about water leakage. Here are the pros: self-cleaning auto-activates to keep your bottle stink-free. Crafted of 304 stainless steel with vacuum insulation. NSF certified and removes 99% of contaminants. There's only one con: this bottle has a slightly healthier price tag than some of the others. Into the top 3 is LifeStraw. Filtering impure water has never been so easy. LifeStraw Go Water filter bottle cleans out an incredible 99.99% of contaminants within seconds to transform harmful water into a healthy treat. The filtered bottle has a solid 22-ounce capacity, making it the best water filter bottle for outdoor adventures like hiking, camping, backpacking, and even a disaster survival kit. However, these bottles are crafted with durable and BPA-free materials. The LifeStraw Go water filter bottle meets U.S. Environmental Protection Agency protocols certified by NSF. The wide opening makes filling with water and ice a piece of cake. You can even use water from any pond or river to fill the LifeStraw water filter bottle. LifeStraw prides itself on being one of the most rigorously tested water filter bottle options. The Go water filter uses a hollow fiber filter membrane with 0.2 micron sized pores and an incorporated carbon capsule to further reduce odor, chlorine, and bad taste. The membrane microfilter can filter up to 1,000 gallons of clean water, while the activated carbon capsule lasts for up to 26 gallons. Here are the pros: BPA-free plastic bottle with decent capacity, long-lasting, durable, and affordable design, filters out 99.99% of water contaminants. You can fill from any lake or river. Here are the cons: filter is slightly bigger in size, appropriate for water, not for other liquids. At number 2 is the Brita. With Brita's stainless steel water filter bottle, you can have the great taste Brita water is known for at your fingertips. This beautifully designed water bottle is best to enjoy hassle-free hydration at the home, office, sports event, or a trip abroad. The bottle has double insulated walls that keep water cold for about 24 hours. The premium filtering water bottle is made of stainless steel and can hold 20 ounces of water. The bottle includes one Brita carbon filter that fits inside the water bottle straw. To activate the filter, simply rinse it under water for 15 seconds and insert it into the straw and attach to the lid. You're now ready for immediate fresh water. The Brita water filter bottle also comes with a seal-tight lid, so you don't worry about leaks or spills. Additionally, this water bottle can filter up to 40 gallons of water before replacing the filter. The Brita is quite affordable and comes in several unique colors, making it one of the best filtered water bottles on the market. Here are the pros: easy to operate with just one hand, reduces chlorine taste and odor, keeps water cold for 24 hours. There's only one con: filter needs to be replaced every 3 months. At the number 1 spot is the clearly filtered bottle. With superior construction and sleek appearance, the clearly filtered water bottle is the best stainless steel filtered water bottle that provides crystal clear water. This 20-ounce design is well suited for the office, gym, outdoor activities, or everyday water consumption. The clearly filtered water bottle features affinity filtration technology, which efficiently removes more than 220 contaminants at 99.9% purification. All of the components in the bottle are tested according to NSF standards and are BPA-free. The clearly filtered water bottle is the best frontline defense against harmful impurities like chlorine, fluoride, lead, mercury, herbicides, pharmaceuticals, pesticides, and volatile organic compounds. Moreover, a flip-top mouthpiece makes it easy to clean and store for the next adventure. Stainless steel double wall construction helps keep the water cold for up to 24 hours. The replaceable water filter lasts for 25 gallons of clean water or up to 6 months. To back it all up, Clearly Filtered provides a lifetime warranty. Here are the pros: advanced filtration technology removes 99.9% of over 220 contaminants. Multi-purpose design made of 100% BPA and BPS free. Insulated stainless steel construction with a lifetime warranty. There's only one con: the filter is slightly restrictive, making it a bit hard to drink. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.